Hello everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. Today, we are going to discuss a common iPhone issue, which is the screen brightness problem after an iPhone upgrade. Have you noticed that even when your iPhone's brightness is set to the maximum, the screen still appears dim and hard to see after an upgrade? Don't worry, I will help solve this screen brightness problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Adjust screen display settings. If you encounter screen brightness issues, it could be due to a bug after upgrading your iPhone system, causing problems with your iPhone's white point. At this time, you can follow these steps. First, open Settings, find Accessibility, then tap Display and Text Size. Scroll down to find Reduce White Point. If you find it is turned on, that is the cause of the screen problem. Simply turn it off, and your screen brightness issue should be resolved. It should now return to normal. Method 2. Force restart your iPhone. If the first method does not address your issue and cannot solve your screen brightness problem, you can try force restarting your phone. This method can resolve many glitches and basic problems. First, quickly press and release the volume up button, press the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Wait for the iPhone to restart. If the problem persists, you may need to try using a computer to resolve the issue. Method 3. Using Apple devices. If the previous methods do not work, you can try using Apple devices to solve the problem. Similar to Method 2, first connect the iPhone to a computer, then quickly press and release the volume up button, followed by the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the iPhone enters recovery mode. Then open Apple devices, or you can open iTunes or Finder. It will then prompt you to restore or update your iPhone. If you do not want to upgrade the system, choose Restore, and then follow the steps to download the firmware and restore the iPhone. However, this process is very lengthy and may encounter errors, so do not worry. There is a more efficient method. Method 4. Use ReiBoot to repair iPhone. If the problem still cannot be resolved, I recommend using tenorshare ReiBoot to completely fix the issue. It is software that allows users to resolve over 150 iOS issues without deleting data. Please check the download link in the description below to install it. First, connect your iPhone to the computer and enter recovery mode. You need to quickly press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button until the recovery screen appears. Then, click the Start Repair button in ReiBoot. Select Standard Repair to fix system issues without deleting data. The software will prompt you to download the corresponding firmware. Wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, click Start Repair. This process may take around 10 minutes. After the repair is complete, your iPhone screen brightness will return to normal, completely resolving the issue. I hope the tips in this video can help you resolve the iPhone screen brightness issue. I would greatly appreciate it if you could like this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive iPhone tips. See you in the next video.